Hey guys, Ratty Dog down in the dog house. Hey, I got something for you I want to show you. This came to me from a brand who wanted me to do the review for them and do my evaluation on them. And what it is, it's a set of brushes here. I'm going to show them to you. There they are right here. And see these things? And these are really cool. These are like crevice brushes, like you know, on your car seat. How many of you guys have ever gotten in, whenever you're trying to clean your car up, especially if you got seats that have the deep crevices? This is perfect for getting down in those crevices, that you can't get to with a vacuum cleaner. You can use this to get down in there, get down in the crack in between the back of the seat and the seat itself. And then my seats have these rolled pleats in it, and there's always some kind of debris, crumbs, whatever, and this is great right there. See how thin that is? That'll get into those crevices, and really nice. And it comes with 3 of those. You get 3 of those, really cool. And then it has one of these types of brushes. This is another type of crevice brush. This would be great for doing the dash, for cleaning off, around the instrument panel and everything. And gosh, this would be great for just a multitude of work. I'm going to use it down here in the shop. This would be great for removing paint, for all kinds of different. And they give you 2 of these. And I like that they're narrow too, so they can get into areas where you normally wouldn't be able to get to with other brushes. They also give you some of these cool, this is like a slag brush, for cleaning off slag after a weld, or, scrubbing off paint or whatever. See this right here? This one has kind of they're hard. I mean, those bristles are there. I mean, they're tough. And then you got a little scraper there on the end. See that? So you can scrape things if you need to. And this is a nylon one. It's not quite as strong, but you still get good scrubbing power with that. And it's narrow. I like that it's narrow so you can detail things. And you got another one here with brass bristles on it. And that's good for cleaning metal or whatever, before you paint something. See how that made, can't hardly tell, but it scrubbed that up pretty good. Anyway, and you get 3 of these types of brushes. So all together, you got a pretty good set of brushes here to do different jobs that you need to get done. Very cool. This one here, I just thought this was cool. Let me show you something over here. Give you an idea of what I'm talking about. See right here? You can get down in these crevices and clean these crevices out. See how it gets down in there? And think about using that on your vehicle, in your car seat. So anyway, nice brushes, guys. I just thought they were cool. Y'all have a good one.